Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of using your email as a recovery to recover your email when you forget your password. So to use your email as a recovery means to recover your Gmail account. First, you need to set up your email to be added into your Gmail account as a recovery means to use to recover your Gmail account when you forget password. So to start, click on any browser of your choice. Here I will choose Chrome browser. In the address bar, I input account.google.com. Then I log in with my email and password. Access my Gmail web portal. This is my Gmail web portal. So to set my email as a recovery means click on Google account, then I click on manage your accounts. On the left side, click on security. And you scroll through that recovery. You click on recovery email tab to add your email. Log in with your Gmail accounts and password to enable you to enter specific email that you want to use as your recovery email. Recover your Gmail accounts when you forget your password. Enter the email that you want to use. That I click on next. Verification pop-up will appear for you to enter a verification code. So to find this verification code, you log in into your Gmail accounts, the email that you use as your recovery inbox. Find the recovery code or verification code sent by Google. So I've logged in to that particular mail. This my inbox. I click on it, then I copy the verification code by Google. The copy, paste it in the verification code tab. Verify that particular email. You click on verify. This will verify the email to be added to your Google email account as a recovery means. So that when you forget your password, and use that email address to recover. So to use email as my recovery, log into account.google.com. So I enter my email. Under the email, click on forget password. Serve as a means forget your password. Use to log in to your Gmail web portal. So after clicking forget password, Google will prompt you to enter specific verification means. If you use phone or email, we are using email, so I'll use that email. This is the email, and after that, by clicking on it, Google will send a verification code into that particular email. So you log in to that email address, you check the inbox. There you will find the verification code sent by Google. Then you copy and paste. This will enable you to change your Gmail password. You to be able to access your Gmail web portal. So after pasting, it will prompt you for you to create a password. You type a specific password that you want to use as a means to recover your Gmail. You click reset and click continue. That's my Gmail web portal. Now I'll be able to recover my Gmail using the email as my recovery means. Recover my password. Google password. Thank you for watching this video. More information on how you can add a verification email to your Gmail to use as cover Gmail account when you forget password. Under the description to this video, click on link to the post. This will link you to site to find more information on how you can use or add email to your Gmail to use as a recovery means. Again, subscribe to this channel, clicking the bell icon. See notification anytime we upload new video.